Modular clean room is a modern way to build a clean environment. It has the advantages of fast installation, flexible layout, high efficiency and energy saving, and easy to upgrade and transform. This kind of clean room is mainly used in industries with strict requirements for air cleanliness, such as electronics, semiconductors, precision instruments, biopharmaceuticals, food processing and other fields. Side-mounted FFU means that when the equipment is installed, the fan and high-efficiency filter are installed in a way that faces the clean room on the side. The working principle of side-mounted FFU is mainly to inhale indoor air through the built-in high-efficiency centrifugal fan, and filter through HEPA or ULPA filter, so as to achieve the purpose of purifying the air and removing dust particles, and ensure that the air quality in the clean room meets the corresponding cleanliness level requirements.